Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying exactly which port you have and selecting the right cable. If your Mac Mini has a built-in RJ45 port, use a CAT5E or CAT6 patch cable for reliable gigabit speeds. If it's a Thunderbolt-only model, grab a Thunderbolt to Ethernet adapter first. Once you have the correct cable or adapter, gently align the connector and insert it until the clip clicks. Make sure the cable runs clear of strain and that both ends seat fully. This prevents intermittent drop. Once the cable is seated, look for the small link lights on your router or switch to confirm a physical connection. Now go to System Settings and open Network to see if Ethernet appears. If it doesn't, click Add or enable the adapter. Make sure IP4 is set to DHCP for most home networks, or choose Manual and enter the static IP, subnet, router, and DNS values if your network demands it. Finally, prioritize Ethernet over Wi-Fi to force use of the wired link. You finish by confirming the connection actually works. Open a browser and load a web page or use terminal to ping 8 for basic reachability. If the connection fails, check link lights, try a different router port, or swap in a known good cable or adapter to isolate hardware problems. Make sure Ethernet is prioritized over Wi-Fi and that your IP settings match the network. If issues persist, reboot the router and the Mac. Many transient network problems clear after a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.